Hi guys! Welcome to another episode of Tiger Guard. So another project here today. This is a 2020 Geely Coolray. So anong papagawa ni client? Ito yung sobrang marami na namin nagawang is power tailgate. This is a lower model na Geely Coolray kaya wala siyang power tailgate. So medyo nahirapan si client. Every time daw mag-open close, kailangan magpipindot pa ng botones para mabukas yung pinto, and every time na i-close yung door, kailangan i-close manually. So dinala ni client dito ngayon, kaya ayusin na natin yan. Lalagyan natin ng power tailgate with kick sensor. So I always say, wait till you see. Let's go! Alright, natapos na natin installation. So, let us see the finished product. So, number one, syempre, mabubukas mo siya. Push off a button sa back door. Pag na-open, pwede mo rin siya i-close. Just one push. So, anong specialty pa natin? We can also open this door from the button on the front. Also, opening the door through the key. Just long press the trunk opening button. Then, it will open. And what's so special about this build? So, another thing is, meron ka ng open through the buttons. Meron ka ng open through the remote. Meron pa tayong third kind of opening and closing is through your feet. While you're parked, just gamitin lang yung paa nyo, just give it a kick, and then it will close the door or open the door depending on the condition of the door. So, ayan. If you guys are interested in this item or this service or any other of our item or services, just give us a message and let us make it happen. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye!